My name's Marian. I work at a social enterprise called Soul Bottles. That was easy. I'm an introvert and I like to challenge myself. Like being here on stage with all you watching like this. While actually my mind is wondering if I really turned off that stove at home. I know I checked 3 times, but can you be certain? Really certain? Challenges like this help me grow. So let's talk about personal growth, which also is my job. At Soul Bottles, I help people grow. So for this, I organize all kinds of workshops. I do coachings, I help with conflict resolution, and yeah, sometimes I just casually walk to the kitchen and check what the stove is doing. Yeah, I usually pretend that I'm going for a slice of bread. The place always looks like a mess afterwards. To do my personal growth job well, I need my own experience, my own challenges. So last year I signed up for a very interesting class. I will tell you more about what we did there in a moment. But first, do you know the comfort zone? Yeah. That cozy little place where everything just feels really good, peaceful, fine. I read about it on that flyer, like for that class. And apparently that's the place you want to leave when you learn. You might think, why on earth would I want to leave that place? The zone of comfort, of well-being. Isn't that the place we all want to go to? According to that flyer, there's more to it. Outside the comfort zone, they say, is where the magic happens. So that sounds like a fun place, right? Full of colors, unicorns, laser beams. Sounds like a techno festival. And I like techno festivals, so let's go. It will be awesome. Have you ever been outside the comfort zone where the magic happens? I have. Don't go. It's a nasty place. There's a reason they call it outside the comfort zone. The clue's in the name. It's where you do not feel comfortable, but where you feel nauseous, nervous, and like shit. Oh no, they would say. The teachers at this class, you're in the panic zone. That's the wrong place. You want to be in the learning zone, not the panic zone. What? I was confused. Too many metaphors. And I started getting really nervous. A bit like now, just much worse. The teachers tried to guide me, they really did. So I heard their voices echoing, like from afar. Connect to your breath. Find a safe space inside you. If you get stuck, just call to your spirit animal. Remember the lion. He will give you courage and strength. He's just like you with his long hair. Long hair was not the reason why I picked a lion as a spirit animal. I did pick a male lion as a spirit animal because while everyone else is hunting, they just stay in the comfort zone. Maybe you're wondering, what is he talking about? What is a spirit animal? I don't know. But from my experience, it's a lion getting really angry at you because in your panic you almost ripped his hair off. We're friends again. I think. I don't really remember how I got out of that situation. I did get out, that's what counts. And I think back sometimes, reflecting upon it. It's an important part of personal growth, to reflect upon the experience. And there's one question I can just not put to rest. Was that really the best way to learn how to bake chocolate cakes? Does that happen at every baking class? There must be another way. I'm No, my cakes haven't really gotten better. But every time I enter a kitchen now, I'm terrified. There's a lion in there. And now I can never know if he's angry or if he's just casually drinking tea. It seems like my kitchen has become that magic place they were talking about all the time, so finally I'm there. Just a bit like Alice in Wonderland, maybe just instead of a rabbit, I have a lion, a scary stove, and a chocolate cake. Okay, so that was all last year. New year, fresh challenges. This year, I decided to sign up for this stand-up class right here that led to our performance session. I heard good things about it from a friend, and I like that people here talk about things that matter, like stoves, chocolate cakes, stoves, again. And I want to work on my stage appearance. So, I'm going to the first class. A bit nervous, obviously, because of that introvert thing that I had. Here's what I was thinking for class. What kind of people will be there? Like all super extrovert, super funny, doing punchline after punchline all the time. And me just in the middle like a frozen rabbit. As an introvert, you prepare for a situation like that. Oh yes, I did. I packed up all my best jokes, all my punchlines, all the fun I know. Put them all right here in my pocket. Yeah, it's a bit sad that it all fits in there. But that's a good pocket, and these are quality jokes. They don't need much space. So, all my fun is here, easy reach. I'm ready to blast it out. I'm going to the first class. I'm picturing myself going there because this is all still in my head. I'm approaching slowly, silently, like smile. Smiles walk like that. No one would notice the introvert guy. Until finally they would, because I'm quite tall. So, they would probably go like, hey, how are... And before they could even finish their question, I would jump right in and shout, what's the difference between a frog and a horse? Didn't see that one coming, did you? Extrovert, fun person, you. Surprise attack. It was a really good plan. I still think so. It did not go as planned. Let's not go into details. I think in the end I said, hi. Probably said my name and smiled. Which was actually the fallback plan at the time. Like, I say my name, I wave, and I do a charmer smile. The good thing is I quickly realized everybody here coming onto the stage tonight is really, really nice, and was really fun doing this class with them. Wow. So personal growth, to me, actually is not constantly improving yourself. Personal growth to me is in its essence self-acceptance. So that can be challenging enough. We had that before. And for me it meant accepting my introvertness and what comes with it. Like these insecurities that I have with new groups, that really, really busy internal emergency preparation unit, just running all the time. And my stove anxiety. Stove thing, okay, that doesn't really have to do anything with introvertness. And it is still pretty annoying. Just always gets in my way when I have to rush out. Okay, keys, backpack, slamming the door and... Oh, come on, you haven't even used the thing in a week. So, first comes self-acceptance. And that can then give you the freedom to evolve, if you choose to do so. Don't do it because you're expected to improve all the time, or because you're expected to be good at everything. Not everybody has to be good at baking. No one ever tells you how dangerous it is. And my dinner guests will do just fine without a dessert, or else they will have to talk to the mothers. Thank you and goodbye.